May is going to be an amazing month. If you think about it, reframe that fear and get after it. You might be thinking like, Hussein, I know how to do something, I know why I want to do something, but I'm just not doing it. What is the problem? For most people, it's probably a deeper fear. It's probably insecurity, fear of judgment, lack of resources, fear of failing, fear of success. It could be so many different things. You gotta sit with yourself and really ask yourself, what's really holding me back? What am I actually afraid of? Once you know what you're really afraid of, then you can figure out ways to reframe that fear. And when you reframe that fear, that blockage between you and your creativity getting out into the world reduces and perhaps crumbles. Because at the end of the day, what you want to do should trump what's stopping you. Now remember, as a creative, you want to put your energy where you can get the most out of that energy back. So for example, for me, I shifted all my energy as social media onto YouTube because I know the more I grow my YouTube channel, the more I get a return. And so I highly recommend that you look into the places that give you the highest return, because your time is valuable, and where you want to spend your time on your creative entrepreneurship matters. So if you think about that and reduce the clutter, reduce the distractions, you'll become laser focused. May is going to be an amazing month. If you think about it, reframe that fear and get after it. Peace.